Let's solve this together. We have m to the power of 2 minus n to the power of 2 to be equal to 15. And we want to find m and n. So first to begin, let's recall that when we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So from here, our m squared minus n squared becomes m minus n times m plus n, and is equal to 15. Now let's consider the factors of 15. We can have 1 times 15. We can have 15 times 1. We can have 3 times 5. And we can have 5 times 3. But from here, let's recall that m minus n is less than m plus n. So with this condition, we can accept this, reject this, and we'll accept this. So we have 2 cases here. Now imputing these factors for 15, we have m minus n times m plus n is equal to 1 times 15, which we can call case 1. And we can have m minus n times m plus n to be equal to, we have 3 times 5, and this is case 2. So from case 1, we have m minus n times m plus n to be equal to 1 times 15. So this simply means that m minus n is equal to 1 and m plus n is equal to 15. So we can add these together to have 2m is equal to 1 plus 15, we have 16. So dividing both sides by 2, we have that m is equal to 8. From here, we have m plus n to be equal to 15, and our m is 8, so we have 8 plus n to be equal to 15. So our n is equal to 15 minus 8, and n is equal to 7. So we have m and n to be equal to 8 and 7. From case 2, we have m minus n times m plus n to be equal to 3 times 5, which means that m minus n is equal to 3 and m plus n is equal to 5. So when we add these 2 equations together, that we have 2m is equal to 8. So dividing both sides by 2, we have m to be equal to 4. So let's recall that our m plus n is equal to 5. Our m is 4. We have plus n equal to 5. So our n is equal to 5 minus 4. We have n to be equal to 1. So we have m and n to be equal to 4 and 1. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.